Hi Neva. Hi Jace. I started, what is it, like 6:30 now? I woke up this morning with a flat tire, and that's cool, but that's a problem for later. That's a problem for after I'm done with this hike. Maybe around 2 p.m. Hopefully. Probably not. Probably like 4 p.m. is when I'll get done. I started walking and I was at Todd Lake is where I started. Where it's down there. We're at 6,000. I'm at 6,000 feet or something. And as soon as I started walking, I felt it in my lungs. Like, oh, that's why. Because why else? Ooh, can see. I don't know if you can see, but a couple people in the parking lot. Well, no, I slept in the parking lot, and 2 people showed up this morning. They're pretty close behind me. But yeah, hopefully I do this right, and I'll see you later. First snack of the day, with the first food of the day. Dark chocolate cherry granola bar. I think it's about, what, 6:45-ish? But first view, I have to go up there, all the way up there. But see you soon. Oh, hit shot. I already shed a layer because it's warm, but well, it's not super warm. Oh, and yeah, there's another mountain around the corner. Well, I mean, you see all the sisters and that's Broken Top and all this stuff, but you'll see more later. Just took my first pee break. Yeah, feeling better. Wow. Would you look at that? Would you look at that? I think I'm on mile 3 probably, so like 3 more. Halfway-ish, almost halfway. Look at that view. I shed a layer, shed another one, shed some pants. I'm getting used to these poles. I don't really like them so far just because I feel like I'm not good at using them. Also they hurt my arms, but I think that's kind of the point. Just use your arms a little bit more than your legs to balance it out. But check in soon. Also, I have to poop really bad. And I can't. But it's a problem for later. Just like my flat tire. Wow. Just stunning. Stunning. I'm at 4 miles. 2.7 more to go. And the last mile obviously is the hardest because I gotta go to one of those glaciers up there. So, got some climbing to do. Got Bend Glacier and No Name Lake. And I'm walking and I have 2 things stuck in my head. One, if I'm not thinking about the birds and the scenery, I keep thinking about how I'm gonna fix my flat tire. Thank goodness I have service at the trailhead, so I can just look at the video and I'll pull out my spare. And I have one song stuck in my head. My car is blue, but my neck is red. Oh, my family's dead. And that's just gonna play in my mind the whole time that I am changing my tire. So hopefully no one's around because I'll be singing that. Awesome. I haven't had this brand before. Scratch Labs. I'm actually really good. I usually get Bolt. I'm not using it. Alright. Track time's over. Time to get back on trail. There's a lot of mosquitoes right here too, and they're getting me through my shirt. So, I'm by the water. Time to get going. First bits of snow. Got about 1 mile left. I've got to pee again, but there's nowhere, as you can tell. No trees, no nothing, no cover, so I'm not gonna, can't go. But I'll see you at the top. We made it. It's so blue. Incredible. I am going to have a seat, enjoy, and take a dip. Right. Last looks of the lake. It's really, really blue. The more you go up, of course, the more blue it gets. And yeah, I took a dip. Pins and needles. Holy, it was freezing. And of course, there were some ice chunks floating right where I was getting in the water. But yeah, gonna have some more snacks, drink some booch,